Some people have heard me say pig in the sky, connecting pigs. What animals have their nose straight forward, circle, put two sausages in, bacon links for the electricity? I talk about the pigs because their numeric number is 9d7.7. 9 by 7, 63, and 16. 16 is a representation of the half-life. In numbers, number 1 or number 10 is equal to 39, representation of the skies of Jupiter. Or let me more or less just say the word Saturn, skies of Jupiter. I don't know why it comes out that way, but it always does. 9 times 6 is 63. 7 times 7, 7 times 7 is 49, representation of the word green. 7 plus 7, 14, your DNA. 7 and 7, 14, DNA equals to 5. 5 and 7 is G and E, electronic gateway, the numeric value for the word moon. The reverse of the word moon is 27 times 4, 108, minus 57 equals to 51, and that is Mars. And it just keeps repeating wherever I go. Is it because of the word? G and E is a creation where you could put the E on the wall, on the Y letter when it's fancied. When they make a fancy Y, it becomes E on the Y, meaning Earth. The Y is the 25th letter. 2 times 5, 2 plus 5, okay, is the letter B. Breaking and entering and the numeric value to create 10, and it is in Venus, that number. The number to Venus is 81. The secondary number in Venus is 27. That's a big red sun. Inside 1 and 8 is 2 and 7, and inside 2 and 7 is 3 and 6, and inside that is 4 and 5. So put 4 and 5 together is 9, put 3 and 6 together is 9. 3, 6, 4, 5 is the numeric setup for the letters of love. I like this word, Pegasus, and the high count, where U equals to 21 or U equals to 3, boom. Take away all the high values to the low Pythagorean, and it becomes Earth's quarter. Earth's quarter is also 15 in Mars, because 15 seconds at a time, and we have to regulate our vibration, right? Vibration of Mars, inside of here it's DC, but inside of Mars it's 2, 3, and 4. 3 times 4, 3 plus 4 equals 7, 12, 19, A and I. Times 2 is 38, the church. 2 times 3 is 6, times 4 is 24. Let me do that again. 3 by 4 is 12, 3 plus 4 is 19. I multiplied it, I didn't add it. If I added it, it becomes 21. If I use it in one mathematical equation, it would be 2 times 3 times 4, but I put a bracket around it because I use those brackets as 2 and 5. I can use the brackets as 1 and 5, but then 2, 3, and 4 would be in the center. Pegasus, 88 Sky, 8 and 8 is 16, half-life, 1 and 6 is 7. 97.7 is now a representation of BCE creation. Because Bell Canada Enterprise just bought out a radio station called CHOM FM a couple of years ago, okay, and the numbers for CHOM was 97.7. They called it astral video, astral for the sky. It's just so bizarre. So to get into part 2 of this video, or I'm just going to drop this video the way it is, what I do is I form letter sequences, 147 ADG, 8, 11, 14, Hakuna Matata, the heavens gate on earth, 2 and 5 earth, 8 and 2 cycle, 8 and 5 matrix. Aura, Oru, okay, equals to 15, which equals to 6, 9, and 3. The gold of the street. I and R are the only 2 letters, okay, that only have, there's only 2 number 9s in the entire alphabet, right? If we use numbers and letters, it's a little bit different. Here we have our 1 plus 3, 1 times 3 is 3 and 4. When we minus it, becomes 2, 3, 4 vibration. 3 times, 3 plus, 3 minus becomes 2, 3, 4. 1 times 7, if we move over, 2 times 8. If we move over again, it's 3 times 9, right? When you go 2 times 8, This 2 plus 8 will equal to 10, will equal to 7. But when we go over to 3 times 9, 27 equals to 9. 3 plus 9 equals to 3. 3 and 9 equals to the skies of Saturn, and that runs you into Hoover Dam. And I'm very disgusted that every time I take off the with Logitech, the focus goes on again. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus, coming to you from the House of Paint. Thank you for watching this video. Mr. Tack Pans everywhere.